whoever backed me is from the Garhwils, so they are my family. So my family backed me, of course.
But in politics, there's no permanent friends, no permanent enemies.
You might say that one, but I don't know. I don't know what's the meaning of politics. When you try to analyze what is politics, for example, I don't know who has made this. What is politics? Politics is a state affair. To look after the people, to look after the, the society. But I don't know. When you're saying politics, that means you're lying and then you're cheating. It's not like that to me. So my politics is totally different. My politics is for the people. So those cheaters, those liars, and then those scammers will not be part of us. So we will try to see whatever we can do. Now, for example, as you were saying, whether Dr. Mukul will come back or not. For example, we might not like him to come back. To be frank enough, we might not like Zenith to come back also. For example, to the Congress. Let them stay where they are. Simple as that.
There's no room for them now.
I don't think so. If they come through me, I will not give.